What's up friends, it's Valentin Kosenko. In today's video I'd like to talk about my very first paycheck here on YouTube. So if you want to know how I earned 500 bucks before I even got monetized, stay with me through this video and I'll tell you exactly what I did. Enjoy! There are actually quite a few ways to earn money on YouTube, but the one I'll be talking about in today's video isn't the typical ad revenue or affiliate marketing strategy. I did a somewhat different approach this time and was able to do things I love and even earn money with it. To get things started, I watched out for different YouTube contests. During the lockdown there were actually quite a few of these with great prizes. And the best part about this is that you don't actually need any views or subscribers on YouTube. All you really need is a camera and a good idea. Just go ahead and search for BRoll Contests with prize on either Google or YouTube. You can also go into the search filter and adjust the time span to only get the recent results. If you're a designer, you can of course also watch out for design contests or something else you're either interested or talented in. I personally took part in a few filmmaking B-roll challenges, and although not every single video I have created was absolutely successful, I was still able to learn quite a lot and even made it into the top 10 of the FULLTIME FILMMAKER handheld B-roll challenge and earned a winning prize of $500. If you also want to participate in future filmmaking challenges and learn everything about filmmaking, you can follow the link in the video description and join FULLTIME FILMMAKER. By the way, if you want to become a creator like me, I'm actually working on a course platform for creators right now, which is called the Content Creator Circle. There will be courses on everything you need to know to become a successful content creator. If this is something you're interested in, then go ahead and sign up on my website to get notified when the course launches. And the first few people that will sign up for the course will get a limited special deal, which I can guarantee you will be worth it. Now, why am I making this video? I just wanted to share with you guys that you don't actually need to have any following to earn money on YouTube. As long as you are creative, you'll be able to create a sustainable income even as a small YouTuber. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme though, and still takes a lot of time and dedication. I've been doing YouTube mostly for fun alongside my real job, and this means that in the past I wasn't able to create YouTube videos all the time as I still had to focus on my main job and education. I was only really working on new YouTube videos once a week for a couple of hours, which in return still earned me some good money. I still don't have that many views right now though, and my channel growth only really got started a few months ago when I decided to make English videos instead of German ones. But when I take a look at my Amazon affiliate revenue, I am still pleasantly surprised, even though I still only have a little above 10,000 views per month on YouTube. Amazon affiliate and affiliate marketing in general is something I'd like to talk about in another video, but to break it down, as you might already know, I have links to Amazon products, my kit page or other partners in my video description. If you follow these links and buy a product or service, I'll earn a small commission. The price of course is still the same for you though. All of this happens even while I am sleeping. So the initial work you have to put in a video slowly pays you back in return. And if your video is successful and goes viral, this can become a substantial amount of additional revenue. Now, go ahead and search for some contests and be a part of them. Don't forget that practice makes perfect, and even if you're not successful with your first entry, you will get better every single time and eventually become the winner. But what about you? Have you ever participated in a contest before? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd like to share a few more of my analytics with you guys in future videos, and if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.